Shut up before we put you on a hook and see what the big... And he's got claws and the whole deal. He thought he was untouchable, didn't he?
Yeah. I hear it again. Do it again, dude. He sounds like a baby.
You dumbass, he's getting himself caught. Here, get it.
What?
Do you have your volume on?
Oh yeah, no video.
Oh, you big overgrown baby. The little ones take it like a man.
Right, right. They don't fuss and fight.
This isn't fair.
I'm on the entitlement program. What are you doing? This can't be happening. This can't be happening.
Look at that leg, dude. We could easily. It's a little childish, but he sounds so pathetic.
He does.
He's like a 2-year-old.
Come on.
Yeah, he's sort of mad.